Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, we will discuss one of the important concept in the Salesforce, and that is roles. So basically, roles is an important concept in Salesforce which will define access level thing. Like it falls under security or security and access in Salesforce division, I would say. So let's say you are an admin or a business owner or a team lead, right? It is important for you to know what exactly is the role and how to create it and where it can be used, right? So let's understand what exactly the role is. So basically, a role in Salesforce defines a user's portion in the organization hierarchy of what data they can access. When I say what data they can access, it can be edit or view, right? So roles controls the visibility of records, and there is another concept called profile, and profile is something it controls the visibility of objects and fields, and roles control visibility of records. So this is some kind of difference you can keep in mind. And whenever you create a user profile, right, role is optional but profile is mandatory because profile defines the visibility of objects and fields, and role defines the visibility of records. And this is something, you can roles are also used somewhere where you can share the record with some people who are in this for like role based sharing or hierarchy, whatever you call it. And basically, right, in simple terms, just keep in mind that profiles is what you can do and roles is what you can see. This is like a keyword that you can always keep in mind. And let's understand a use case scenario why it is used. So let's say there are two persons, one is person A and another one is person B. And let's say A is a manager and B is some sales guy or a subordinate to the A. Then let's say you need to create two roles, one role for manager and another role for the associate or subordinate. And let's say if the subordinate is having access to XYZ records, right, and he is the owner, and since A is the manager role, that A would be having access to see the records created by himself and the records created by subordinates. This is how you can understand. But let's dive into some, in the Salesforce environment itself. I'm gonna go to Trailhead as this would be our first point always. So let's click on hands on org. I'm going to use this org, and I'll tell you how the roles work. Then we can try to create a role. So basically, right, you can see the roles in a tree way. I mean, in a tree structure also. Let's make it like this one and set up roles. So if you see, right, we have created a role called Salesforce Learner. So this is the topmost role right now available, and there is CEO role, CFO role, CEO role, SVP customer support, and etc. Right. So let me let us think it's in this way. So basically, right, um, just assume this is a parent role and all these records, right? Um, the CEO, and basically this is like Salesforce Learner is parent role and CEO is child role for Salesforce Learner. But again, if CEO and CEO is a parent role for all these records, all these roles, and in the same way, if we expand more, SVP is the child for CEO and parent for these three roles. So just assume this in a way, if let's say VP of North America created some records under North America region, you can assume it may be an account or opportunity. He can see his records and he can see the records under his hierarchy, and SVP can see the records created under these three folks and their subordinates. So in general, SVP sales and marketing have access to all the records created by these folks. So this is how you can understand the hierarchy of records. So this is how it is. Now let's create a role first. It is like a tree view. You can also see like this. Here it makes more sense. Who come under whom, can understand. Um, Let me create a new role. Now, okay. Now what we can do here is we can do like test role, and this role reports to, you need to select whom this person is going to report. For now, let's make it we are reporting to COO and reporting to CEO. Can ops manager, ops manager. So basically this is how you can create a role. um, okay, so if you see, the interesting part comes here. Users in this role can edit all opportunities associated with the accounts they own, regardless who owns the opportunities. In the same way, case access also depends. I mean, it is also similar access given to ops manager. Uh, if the ops manager uh, is the owner for an account, then he can see those opportunities and edit those. You can also change it like what we say. Um, okay. And one more thing, if you want to add a new user, you can add it from here. And if you want to add this role to existing person, you can click on here. And um, for users, you need to filter in this way. And I'm going to move Mary Johnson. And if you see, this person is now added to this role. So this is how you can add a person to the role. And also you can also go to here and click on here, and you can also add a user role from here. Let me do it like ops manager. You can also do it, or you can also change a role from here. So basically this is how you can create a report or roles. And also I will see if I can show you where exactly, I mean, how we can use the roles. Let's do this. And sharing, you can also search for role, and you can also share this with the multiple people with the same role at a given time, like read write and read write. So this is also how you can give the access to a specific account or so. So, and also I think you can also share the reports as well. Let me see if it is possible. Sharing is not possible, then we need to think. If you see, if there is a folder under public folder also, we can also share with specific role people. You see, so this is where you can use the role as well. So usually you can get some kind of tickets that they are unable to see, unable to access a record. So this is how you can go to their role, investigate the issue, and let them know why they are unable to see it. And I think that's it for the role concept. And you may expect an interview question like, how does a role hierarchy impact data visibility? Now I have shown you how you can provide the access to a specific report or share the record so that they can create it. And I think that's it for this video, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions through the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And do not forget to like, share, and comment on the video, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.